Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, Watch OS updated and your Apple Watch paired with your iPhone. Once done, press the digital crown and open Settings on the watch. You want to get to General because that's where input options live. Make sure to tap General, then look for Keyboard or Scribble settings. This first move gets you into the exact menu where you can swap input methods. So don't skip directly to Messages yet, stay in Settings. Now you're in the Input menu, you'll change the active method. Tap Keyboard or Input Methods, then locate Scribble and toggle it off because that frees the watch to use the keyboard. Next, enable the full keyboard option. This is the actual on-screen QWERTY layout. If the watch asks, confirm your preferred language and layout so keys match expectations. Once enabled, the watch remembers it for message fields, so this step permanently shifts. Finish by testing. Open Messages, tap a text field and the keyboard should appear. If you still see Scribble, restart your Apple Watch to reload settings. Make sure to check the iPhone Watch app for any mirrored input settings and confirm language compatibility. If problems persist, reinstall Watch OS or reset keyboard settings, but try Restart first because it resolves most issues. Remember, you can always toggle back to Scribble later, so experimenting won't permanently change your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.